able to turn on, tune in, and white out.
You will not be able to lose yourself on copy and paste and skip out for coffee during meetings.
For the revolution will be typewritten.
Black and white will exist in perfect harmony on a letter-sized page.
You will no longer be subjugated by the uppercase. The lowercase will rise when the revolution comes.
When the revolution comes, Alt will no longer be in control, End will go home, down with page up, and all the windows in the world will be broken.
You will no longer have to check your kerning in the mirror.
When archaeologists uncover your history out from under sedimentary strata of whiteout, the revolution will be typewritten.
There will be no pictures of the boss firing interns on the coffee room bulletin board. There will be no pictures of the boss firing interns on the coffee room bulletin board.
The revolution will not contain commercials, pre-mercials, or post-mercials. The revolution has been brought to you by your friend, the Umlaut.
The revolution will not come to you as a torrent, a stream, or a podcast.
You will not fit the revolution in 140 characters.
Your time will no longer be someone else's money. You'll no longer have to smile through clenched teeth. You'll no longer feel small talk eating away at you like a cancer. For the revolution will be typewritten.
IBM will no longer be a scatological joke, and Dvorak will no longer be a dirty word.
The revolution has no backspace key, because the revolution is not a mistake.
Press C, colon.
Enter colon.
Pound, pound, pound.
When the revolution comes, you will build yourself a barricade out of disused fax machines and overpriced ergonomic chairs, which you will ascend waving a flag adorned with a photocopy of your own buttocks.
When the revolution comes, Casual Friday will become Pants Optional Friday.
That thing that happened in the supply closet last Christmas party will cease to be such a big frickin' deal when the revolution comes.
When your faith in total collapse outweighs your faith in technology, the revolution will be typewritten.
The revolution will not be on Facebook,
Will not be on my face.
Will not be on Twitter.
the revolution will be typed!